Did you lose your Mobile Legends account on Android? Well, you can still retrieve your MLBB account easily as long as it was previously bound to an account. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the most effective method to recover your account. Let's get started. First, open the Mobile Legends app on your Android. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. On your profile, you'll see a profile number and server ID. The ID is your account ID, and the number inside the bracket beside it is your server. You will need this to retrieve your account, so make sure to remember this or take a screenshot of it. Or you can tap on that number, and it will automatically copy both IDs to your clipboard. Without this, you will not be able to recover your account in most cases. So, let's hope you can access this information somehow. Now, after checking our profile name and ID, tap on Account in the left menu. Tap Account Center. From here, tap on Retrieve Account. You will be on this Customer Service menu over here. Tap on the I Need Help option here. Now, tap on the link to fill in the form. Under the account ID, tap on the box and enter your account ID. After you're done with it, tap on the box under Server. You have to enter your server ID here. Remember the profile name and ID we copied? You basically have to enter those two information in these boxes. After you're done, tap Next and follow the rest of the on-screen process to recover your account. Submit a detailed account inquiry for your specific issue, and MLBB support will contact you as soon as they can. Hopefully, you will get your account back in no time. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more MLBB fixes. See you in the next one.